everyone, it's me Mukil again. Today I'm gonna tell you the story about Dogman Unleashed. Watch my previous Dogman videos and come back to this video. Alright, this book has 10 chapters. The first one is The Secret Meeting. The second one is Penelope's Pets. The third one is Happy Birthday Chief. The fourth one is The Big Robbery. The fifth one is Petey's Big Escape. The sixth one is a bunch stuff that happened next. The seventh one is The Big Fight. The eighth one is Flat Cat Fever. The ninth one is The Mysterious Stranger Returns. The 10th one is An Ice Ending. And these Dogman books have how to draw the characters in them. Alright, let's get into the details. The story starts by all the cops planning for Chief's birthday, including Dogman. They were deciding which cops should do the activities for the birthday. And Dogman decided to buy the fish, and one cop said, "Remember, don't buy a dead fish. You only like to roll around a dead fish. Chief doesn't like to roll around a dead fish." That's how the secret meeting goes. He wants to buy a dead fish and he doesn't have any money, and the shopkeeper says, I got you. You can't buy the fish. And someone says, "Psst," behind him. It was another shopkeeper. "Let's give him the evil fish to get rid of it. It bumped in our shop last night and it was mean to all other fish and pets. Let's give him the evil one." Now Dogman goes to the shop and he jumps on every pillow and he eats all the pet food, and the most he eats is extra meat. He takes the evil fish and goes back. Now the birthday starts and the cops bought Chief brain dots. And Chief said, "Who bought me these brain dots?" And one cop said, "We bought you brain dots because you're so forgetful. Get out of my room." And the cop said, "Dogman wants to give you a present." "Hey Dogman, what's my present?" Chief said, and he took the fish and showed him. "I always wanted a fish," said Chief, and he named him Flippy. And he put him on his orange table. The birthday celebration is over and the big robbery happens. The robber tied all the people in the shop, pet shop, and he robbed the pet shop. And one of the person took a picture of the robber. The robber looked like there was a box on his head, and he had an opening in the eyes, and Petey's legs and tail, and a coat. Keep guessing who it is. It will be revealed later in the story, but don't stop guessing. The robbery is done and the story goes back to cat jail where Petey is. The police officer asks, "Did you rob the store?" And Petey says, "How can I rob a store? I didn't even escape yet. I don't have a plan yet to escape this jail." "Okay, Petey, when I catch you, I'm gonna put you in this jail where you belong," to the police officer. And the police officer went, and when he went, Petey made a fake Petey with cardboard and paper, and he put everything on him, and he escapes. And the police officer cries, "Why did you die? What will I ever do without you people?" And then he called 911, and the 911 came and took him to a magician instead of a doctor, and they said, "Make him alive." And the magician said, "If I make him alive, he will be evil." And the 911 told, "Petey is meant to be evil." And they made him evil, and they put another spray on him, which made his head flip, and the gas went on the magician, and the magician said, "I will be your servant and help you to do evil stuff, Flat Petey." Now the Flat Petey is born. Thanks for watching. For further videos,